currently 6:05 a.m. We are leaving to Horseshoe Bend and Marble Canyon today. 6:05 a.m.
Exactly.
Everyone's tired. To the cloud in 65 miles per hour. This was my first time driving the van into the cloud road. As you can see from the video, it is really magical, mysterious. Yeah, it was really interesting to drive this van through this road. We're going into the cloud again, 63 miles per hour. So magical. We are currently at the cliff. Okay, where should we stop? Here?
I think we can go to that edge.
Okay. Oh, look at the viewpoint over there. That's amazing.
What it takes to
Over there, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god.
Go to the side a little bit more. I should have, but
Look at the road below us. It's like only no people driving. Oh, how much gas do you guys have?
God damn. This is a literal goddamn. Wow.
I'm freezing, but
Holy shit. Hey, who wanna go to there?
you scared me.
Holy crap. God damn.
Holy God,
Woo.
don't go past the pole. Okay.
Wow. You guys should come. Come on.
No.
Come on.
We're good.
Oh.
Yeah. I feel that too.
Guys, we should take a selfie here.
Oh my god! With the van.
Please be careful if your phone
Oh
falls.
my god, this is so cool.
This is not cool.
This is
Which
amazing.
side do you want?
No, just like come to this point.
I'm not kidding.
I'm not
Come on.
kidding.
Climbing over
James?
the wall.
Yeah, he's adventurous.
Oh, be careful.
You got 2 poles to support us, okay? This is okay. Oh my god.
If I die, you're coming with me.
Damn.
From over here.
Behind the wall.
Behind the wall.
Wow.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, please.
Damn. There are actually like car parts down there. Yeah, like there's tires.
Tires?
Yeah. Oh wow. This is so amazing. You should come. Come on. This is safe area. This is safe. Are those
But-
beers?
I don't trust with myself.
They're empty.
Oh shit.
Look here.
Yep, I'm gonna go there too. So yes, we found this amazing scenic cliff. Yeah, this part of the road, I just never seen this before. You can actually go out of the road and take a selfie where I took the selfie with the 2 poles in it. This part is so amazing, so beautiful, and yet adventurous. If you happen to visit here, please take a photo of the road because you will not die if you're not dumb enough. Because they have 2 poles for you to grab onto it. Yeah, you will not die. Please don't die. This is amazing. Wow. you ever tried this? Hello. Currently it is 10:21 a.m. at Page, Arizona. Me and my friends are at the Ranch House Grill. The reason why I'm not at the Ranch House Grill is because I have this burrito from yesterday. I paid $26 for this. It's a really long burrito. They don't allow outside food, so I want to save my money. So I came back to the van and I'm gonna have this food. The food inside looks nice, but I want to save my money. So this is a really efficient way to save money. First bite. Food tastes still good. I put this in the fridge yesterday. So food is amazing. Wow. Inside we have like guacamole, beef, cheese, bean, corn. Yeah, so by the way, today is the returning day to Amarillo Prescott. Yeah, today is the end of the tour day. Yeah, after watching the Horseshoe Bend and Marble Canyon, we're gonna head back to Amarillo Prescott. It's gonna be another few hours adventure. I've been to places I've never been. As a person who loves nature, it was an amazing experience. And I do not regret any of the moments we made in this trip. Currently it is 11:34. We have arrived at Horseshoe Bend. Is it called National Park or just Horseshoe Bend?
The Horseshoe Bend.
Just Horseshoe Bend. I haven't seen the Marble Canyon image yet.
I haven't seen it
I
also.
think you'll
Yeah.
like it. Let's not look at it. Don't look at it.
Okay.
When you look at pictures ahead, you have an
Yeah.
expectation.
Right.
And you know how pictures are,
They're edited.
color
Edited a lot. Yeah.
color graded,
Yeah.
etc.
Yeah. That's why I don't do Photoshop. Because Photoshop kind of ruins the original picture. So yeah. Oh, that sucks. No drone zone? They should allow drone because it kind of advertises the location. It gives a different angle.
True, but
Yeah. I
if
don't.
everyone did that, no one would come here. They'd just watch a virtual reality. And so virtual reality companies will want to do that.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
I get the point of view. We are almost at the viewpoint of Horseshoe Bend. You can see lots of people. This is cool. Okay guys, why don't we just lay down and then take a photo? We're not gonna die today, okay? Try not to die today.
Try not to.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go this way. Imagine my phone just fell off.
Oh my god, my sunglasses.
Michael! Michael! Three, hold up. 3, 2, what? 3, 2. We finished our travel at Horseshoe Bend and we are heading to Marble Canyon.
I hit 10.5, it was fine. And I just went, okay, I'll do 10.5.
Currently it is 1:32 p.m. We are at the Navajo Bridge. No jumping from bridge, of course. There's no drone sign, so it means I can fly a drone legally here. Is it a human being or a bird? Look at that.
What?
What is that?
That's a bird.
Is it a bird?
Uh-huh.
What you're seeing right now is the Navajo Bridge. This is the Colorado River under the Navajo Bridge. So this is a small glimpse of the Marble Canyon, Colorado River, everything in once. Currently 1:45 p.m. This was our last stop of our ISA trip. This was a Navajo Bridge. It wasn't on the plan, but we added it because it was close by Marble Canyon. As you can see, those are Marble Canyons. So I think my friends are at the restroom. And I'll say this is the end of our trip. A 3 days, 2 nights trip Arizona tour. Thank you, Embry Press Campus, for sponsoring. And you'll head back home safely. Vlog off.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
Home sweet home. This trip was a really long drive hours and walking trail hours. All that combined is all the memorable trip. I got this burrito from yesterday. This is going to me and the trip crew members, Mist, Isabel, 2 Michaels, and James, plan to go to this ramen place I've been to. It's from my YouTube video, it's somewhere. Yeah, we're gonna go there and have an amazing ramen. The broth will gush down all the sand we ate from the trail. It's going to give an orgasm to our mouth. Yeah, I think it's gonna be amazing dinner. I didn't want to spend more money on food for this trip, but this is out of trip, so.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Veggies.
Came back from dinner and we saw this.
This is it, boys. This is war. What are we waiting for? Why don't we break the rules already? I was never one to believe the hype. Say that for the black and white. Try twice as hard in a math is like, but here they come again to jack my style. That's alright. I found a martyr in my bed tonight.